stupid. Barney doll? Who owns this? Who owns this stupid Barbie doll? Take that, you stupid little Barney doll. It's choking me. Here. What? This killed me. Tried to kill me.
A Barney doll?
Duh! What else do they do?
They sing?
Okay. Let's just see for yourself.
See?
No! Killing.
Run!
Oh yeah! Let's take this Barney doll down. Nice gloves. Oh yeah. Yeah!
There's something here, Barney!
I think I just killed it.
Don't be so sure. And one more thing. May the 4th be with us!
Ooh. Anyway, it's gone. So I guess we can go to bed. Or maybe eat some pizza?
Yep, go on, let's go.
Let's too much pizza last night. Oh my god! What the hell are you doing here? Get out! No, when I killed you last night. Barney's in here.